Hello guys, in today's video we will be installing the sump guard, which is the underbelly protection for our Interceptor 650. So this is what we get. I ordered this from Amazon. The official Royal Enfield website is there in Amazon, so these are all the sub accessories which are required to install the sump guard. So the sump guard goes right here below, but before installing it we gotta clean the bike. We gotta clean this area very clean because we're gonna install the sump guard, right? Then it will not be able to access this area properly. We need to remove the exhaust from the bike because there are two bolts which comes in between the exhaust. So first we'll remove the exhaust and then we'll attach the attachment. So as you can see here, so this is the bolt which I was talking about that time. It comes between the bend pipe of the exhaust system. So we are going to carefully loosen the bolt so that we can fix the bracket there. So this is the bracket which needs to be installed there. So with the same bolt we're just going to fix the bracket there. So this bracket will help us hold the sump guard actually. Similarly, we are gonna install the bracket on the other side of the bike also. So after installing the two latches, we have to install the front latch here. This goes right here. So to install that, we gotta remove this bolt here. On the other side also it's there. So that bolt is a 13 mm. After loosening both the bolts, you have to align this part here and tighten it back. So with the guard itself, we get these rubber bushings which goes, okay, that one goes up there, the bigger one goes here, and this part comes from below, just like this. This is where the bolts get mounted to the bike. So after fixing that, we'll have a test fit on the bike, and after everything fits perfectly and the angles match, so we are gonna bolt the bolts tight. So with the given bolts from the box, we gotta test fit this. So as you can see, this part right here is not aligned. This part. So we have to see what is the issue, and then we'll get back to you. So guys, we found out the issue that the angle which is here, right, this side one, that doesn't align with the due to that it was not matching. So after removing and just bolting this, we found out that doesn't match. So we gotta, you can see there that gap, so we have to change the angle and fix it. So we'll be fixing it now. So now it correctly fits the bolt. So we're gonna see the angle and tighten the inner bolt first. Otherwise it will be shaking. It will be flimsy. So guys, this is how we install a sump card on an Interceptor 650. So we're gonna tighten all the bolts tightly so that it doesn't fall off. I'll try that. So guys, all the bolts have been tightened up and some card is looking very pretty. I love on it. So this is it for today's videos, guys. This is how to install a sump card on a Interceptor, and for more such content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.